So this automation is one of the simplest way to use Monday.com. Basic workflow for a company with the different departments. For example, I made this if they have new tasks. So example, task sample 1. Then they can select a department. So I made 3: accounting, maintenance, sales. So maybe maintenance priority, maybe medium. Uh, Not started, pending. Due date, let's say after next Saturday. So this one, maintenance. So I made this for maintenance only here. This is sales or accounting. So it will notify them in the Slack channel. Run once. So okay, it will send only here because of the maintenance tag. So let's check maintenance here. This is the task name, priority, medium, due date. Let's try another task 2. Um, Accounting, maybe high. And let's run. So it goes to accounting. Now this end will trigger if they are overdue. So I made them if equal to or greater than this the due date. This one maybe for this one I did not put, maybe due date. We'll try to run again. Or maybe I will make it backward. Uh, 20, maybe 19. Okay, we'll see. And run once. Or make a new task. Task 3. Let's say sales. High, pending, 19. Then sales. Okay, it will notify the supervisor if it is past the due date as compared to the current date. Because this is the condition here is the current date. Should be if the current date is more than the due date, it will notify the supervisor. So let's check the supervisor channel. So task 3 is overdue. So that is the purpose here. So the supervisor now can follow up the team. What is the problem? So they can discuss. So okay, that's all.